Welcome to WednesdAI. I'm Sean. This is Pixel Dreams, and these are your top stories from the world of AI for this week. We're starting things off with an update about Sora, the video platform. We're not talking about the technology or the art of it yet. We will in a bit, so stay tuned. No, right now we're talking about OpenAI, the company that brings you ChatGPT and Sora. This week having meetings with all of the top level executives in Hollywood and offering Sora to try to a whole collection of A-list writers, directors, and actors to check it out and see maybe how it's going to fit into the Hollywood pipeline for production going forward. AI filmmaking set to revolutionize TV and film, perhaps way sooner than we might have anticipated. But one of the things I've noticed online in the wake of this story breaking was a lot of people speculating that once Sora is made available, it's going to be so computationally expensive that it's not going to be within the reach of the average user, and instead is going to be aimed more at a high-end production market. Remains to be seen what goes on with that. I know that I can't wait to get my hands on it. It looks so fun, and just wait till you see what we make together, friends. Our next story is about Midjourney version 7. The V7 release is imminent, and the report is that it's going to include a virtual world creation feature. So imagine that you can type in some text prompts and create an entire immersive 3D environment that you can then go into for video game making, filmmaking, or maybe you just want your own holodeck. Either way, this is news about the Midjourney version 7 update that's coming very soon. Check out the link on the WednesdAI page on the Pixel Dreams website right now. For all you people out there that are kind of new to AI or you just want to brush up on your skills, NVIDIA has launched a series of free AI classes that you can take self-directed at your own speed on topics such as generative AI explained, building a brain in 10 minutes, networking introduction, AI in the data center, how to perform large-scale image classification, and more. You can browse the entire course catalog at nvidia.com. The link is on the WednesdAI page at pixeldreams.com right now. For our next story, we're taking things to the realm of user-generated content. YouTube announced that they are now going to require users to label AI-generated content as such. And in fact, in the brief window of time between putting this story on our script for this video and sitting down to shoot this video, in that little brief window of time, I started seeing people on social media talking about how in the publishing process, you now get a little pop-up that asks you about the nature of the content you've recorded. And a lot of the talk is how anything that's been processed digitally at all would count as a yes the way that they're asking it. So what are they even really looking for? Seems to be very unclear the way they're asking it. YouTube taking a lot of heat for the rollout of this, don't want to call it a feature, but of this little thing they're doing. So if you're uploading YouTube videos, let me know if you encounter this, and we'll see how this shakes out. You know how when you're registering a domain name, there's .ca for Canada, there's .to for Tonga, there's .uk for the United Kingdom, and there's .ai for the tiny island nation of Anguilla. Total population 17,000. And because that's their national domain extension, anytime a company registers a .ai domain for a website, the Anguillese government gets a share of that revenue. Last year, they received $32 million, or 10% of their GDP, from the sale of .ai domain names, which they used to offer free healthcare to all of their citizens over the age of 70 and renovate their major airport and sports facilities. And finally, you know we love to do with our videos of the week. This week, a big bit of Sora news. They come out with a new page on their website talking about how they've invited a bunch of filmmakers and artists, including Toronto's own Shy Kids, to have a go at Sora and make a film. These are not just putting in a text prompt and getting a great shot. These people were invited to make a short film, minute and a half in length. And the one from the Shy Kids, everybody's saying that's the best one. It's titled Airhead.
Yeah, living like this has its challenges. Windy days, for one, are particularly troublesome.
And then Beyond Our Reality by Dan Allen Stevenson III was the other one that I really liked.
Episode 1 unveils the giraffe flamingo, a stunning hybrid that roams the savannah with grace and vibrant hues.
Click the link on the WednesdAI page at pixeldreams.com to check out all of the new Sora-generated short films with a brief statement from each filmmaker on what they think of the new technology. An independent creator, Dustin Hollywood, has steadily been releasing previews of a short film called The Last Artist that is being generated entirely in AI. Here are some of his latest preview clips. And this weekend, the Imagine AI Live conference is happening in Las Vegas, and Dustin created this fun little promo for the event. It's called Robot AI is Having a Good Time in Vegas. And I love the idea of showing this to you because for anyone working in advertising, marketing, or branding, there's an approach here that you can take and sell to your clients today. Anyways, that's WednesdAI for this week. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining us. And thank you for following all of these awesome stories. We're keeping you up to date so you can be informed. Make sure you tag us in anything you make in AI. Let us take a look. And we'll be talking soon. Thanks for watching. Peace. See you next week. More news, big news, all the news coming at you. Bye.